put all of your knowledge regarding RVs to the side. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is a revolution on wheels, not simply a car. Here, the luxury of a five-star hotel blends with the fierce DNA of a Ferrari. With its entire carbon fiber body, distinctive Y-motif, and sharp lines, the outside is a masterwork of aggressive aerodynamics. With a hybrid V12 engine that produces more than 1,000 horsepower, this design helps it cut through the air. It's not just for show. It is a motorhome with the heart of a hypercar, providing you with incredible acceleration and rapid torque, demonstrating that luxury and speed can coexist together. The driver's cockpit is a technological and performance symphony once you step inside. The driver is the only focus of the dashboard, which is a single, contoured panel made of Alcantara and carbon fiber. A huge, curved OLED panel in the middle serves as your command center, showing everything from navigation and speed to a 360-degree camera view of your surroundings. Haptic touch controls and an AI voice assistant that reacts to all of your commands have mostly replaced physical buttons. This is a futuristic starship's control panel, not simply a dash. The real elegance is seen in the living area. It has a simple design, clean lines, and an open, roomy layout. The modular seating can be adjusted to create a formal dining room or a comfortable lounge area, and it is covered in Italian leather and Alcantara upholstery with beautiful stitching. With a single touch, the panoramic roof's smart glass technology can rapidly change from clear to opaque, providing you with seclusion or an amazing view of the night sky. A central tablet controls every aspect of the interior, including the sound system and climate. A king-sized bed that floats, seemingly poised in midair, is your haven. The walls are a combination of ambient LED light strips that may change color to fit your mood and soft Alcantara. With an integrated entertainment system, individual storage spaces, and smart blinds on the windows that change their position automatically in response to the sun's rays, it's a peaceful haven. You may relax and rejuvenate here, away from the outer world. The restroom is a haven inspired by a spa. A sleek, translucent shower enclosure and walls coated with composite materials that resemble marble provide an impression of roomy luxury. The contemporary sink is a simple piece of art, and the smart mirror includes an embedded display that shows the weather and news. No matter where your travel takes you, you can always count on a refreshing experience thanks to the adjustable illumination and optimum water pressure. This kitchen is not typical of a camper. With a fully integrated appliance suite and an automatic pop-out countertop, the area is a culinary wonder. A built-in espresso machine, a small convection oven, and a concealed induction cooktop are all expertly concealed behind simple panels. Cooking is made easy and futuristic with a smart refrigerator that has everything you need and the main tablet that controls the entire kitchen.